Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you connect your Brother DCP-T420W printer to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your printer is powered on and ready for setup. You'll also need your Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, and its password handy. We'll cover everything from initial preparation to successfully printing wirelessly. This process is straightforward, and you'll be printing in no time. Let's get started with the first steps. Before we dive into the connection process, let's ensure your printer is properly prepared. It's important that your Brother DCP-T420W is placed within a good range of your wireless router for a stable connection. Also, take a moment to check the printer's display for any error messages. Resolve those first if present. Finally, confirm that the device you'll use to install drivers is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's connect your printer using its built-in setup wizard. On your printer's control panel, press the menu button. Navigate to the network option, then select WLAN or Wi-Fi. From there, choose the setup wizard. The printer will then search for available networks. Once your network's name, or SSID, appears, select it and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the printer's keypad. Confirm your selection to proceed. With your printer connected to Wi-Fi, the next step is to install the necessary drivers on your computer or mobile device. Visit the official Brother support website to download the latest drivers for your DCP-T420W model. After installation, add your printer through your operating system settings. Finally, perform a test print from your computer or device. This confirms that your Brother printer is successfully connected and ready for all your wireless printing needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.